Okay, so we're going to start part 2 with the crossing at Junction Road. So, back in 2017, this line was resurrected to restore rail service to Granite Valley Forest Products. I'll have a link to one or more articles down below. And while I'm at it, I'll take you back to 2017. You see this line is overgrown some, having been out of service for several years at this point. And one other thing to note is right about where I'm standing is where the Chicago Northwestern crossed and came through prior to the early 80s. Now, let's jump ahead a few weeks. "22 days later, tie replacement and other repair work is in progress here. Now to the last crossing. So, back to 2025, we're at the Highway S crossing. You look ahead there, you see the switch, and the line itself dead ends just barely beyond the trees there. And also, Granite Valley Forest Products is just to the right. And that's going to be all the time I have for this video. Stay tuned, as in a few months I do have another video planned involving another railroad spur. I am Orion H.